Good morning, all of you. My name is Pranjali Khare,
My name is Ritika Bisain.
Myself, Oshin Sakla.
I am Aradhya Patkar.
and we are students of class 9 from Satpura Valley Public School. And today we will tell you about Chinnor rice, the pride of Madhya Pradesh. So, Chinnor rice is a traditional aromatic variety of rice which is mainly grown in district Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh. It is famous for its fine grains, soft texture, and sweet aroma. It is 100% Indian and represents our rich variety of agriculture heritage. It is often used for traditional dishes like kheer and pulao, for face mask, and for special occasions. Now, I will tell you about why Chinnor rice is important. So, it is important because it provides a better income to local farmers and strengthens the rural economy. It encourages the organic and sustainable agriculture. It spread the name of Balaghat in Madhya Pradesh in national and international level.
Now I will tell you about its future vision. If we promote Chinnor rice properly, it will name of our India and it will globally recognize Indian brand. It will boost our farmers' income, create employment, and also many opportunities for them. It also prevents the traditional farming. Supporting it will making a self-reliant, develop India, Viksit Bharat.
Now, I am going to tell you about what are the problems we have identified. There is very little advertisement and promotion of Chinnor rice, limited government support for marketing and export, low awareness among people about its specialty and GI tech. Farmers faces less profit because hybrid rice dominates the market. High cost compared to regular rice or hybrid rice. No proper HS code, making international trade difficult. Require more land for growing, so it can't cultivate it in large quantity. Now, the solution to these problems are that government can start campaigns and exhibition to promote Chinnor rice, providing financial help, training and packaging help to farmers, and creating export opportunities to make it known worldwide. Assigning an HS code for the Chinnor rice can make export easier. Promoting Chinnor rice can create employment in many areas like farming, processing, and packaging.
Now, I will tell you about its purpose. The purpose of this project is to spread awareness about Chinnor rice of Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh.
Chinnor is not just a crop, it is the pride of Balaghat, Madhya Pradesh, and India. By promoting it, we are promoting farmers, culture, economy, and a developed India. By supporting vocal for local, we are a step closer to a self reliant and developed future that is a Viksit Bharat. Grow local,
Eat local, support Chinnor, the pride of India, the taste of Bharat. Thank you.